Okay, let's go through buttons, and let's talk a little bit about buttons. Over here on the tool panel there's an insert button, and we can also go up here and insert standard objects button. When a button first goes in, the defaults button is just an ordinary text button. So what you get is a button with a slight rollover. You can't really see that yet, but we'll have a look. And some text. So the most common use for a button would be for navigation. So I'm just going to put on here next. I'm going to make it a little bigger. Go back over here and I'm going to make the text a little bit bigger. 26, yeah, that'll do. And I'm going to put it down in the bottom corner. Okay. So just so we know, this one here is title slide. That's a text caption. That's the one you double click to edit the text. Come on. And this one here, I'll copy that. Copy. Paste. And this one will be slide 2. Oh, can't spell. Slide 2. Right. When I select this button, down the properties box on the right hand side, I've got various properties that I can change. The main one would be the action. So on success, continue. We could leave that because we're going to slide 2. But a much better way of doing it would be to go jump to slide. And I've got slide 2 selected because I've only got 2 slides in my thing. So jump to slide, slide 2. A shortcut, well, I could put enter, so that when I press enter, I go to the next slide. Enter's probably not a good one because we use enter for quite a lot of different things. And if you wanted to get rid of that, you can just click the bin, select it so it goes green again, and say Control and backspace. There you go. That's a weird combination, but that's what will operate that next button. So I'm going to press F4. That way we can preview what we've done. And we're on the title slide. I can press next, or I can press Control and backspace, and I go to slide 2. Okay, that's normal text buttons. I'm going to delete that button. Other buttons that we've got. I can insert a button again, so it goes in as a standard text button. But up here, I can say image button. And when I hit image button, you see it changes slightly. If I scroll up here, now you can see the button type is image button, and we've got loads of different images here that we can play with. So I've got a next button here, look. I can make that a little bigger, hang on. Don't want to distort it too much. But there's a next button, you can see it's a rollover. So with these different buttons, you've got a load to choose from in here. You can make your navigation. You can also make these image buttons in Photoshop or similar paint package and import them into Captivate, but I'm not going to go through that here. That's buttons.